This is the Dyna-Glo Delux, a 650,000 BTU forced air kerosene heater designed for extremely large spaces up to 13,500 square feet. It operates on kerosene, diesel, fuel oil, or Jet A, with a 50-gallon tank for up to 10 hours of runtime. Safety features include a flame-out sensor and a temperature limit switch. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Heating capacity and coverage. Delivers 650,000 BTU per hour, effectively heating areas to 13,500 square feet. Ideal for large construction sites, warehouses, and industrial spaces, providing rapid and consistent warmth to expansive environments. Number 2. Fuel compatibility and runtime. Operates on 1K kerosene, 1 diesel, 1 fuel oil, and JP8 jet fuel. Equipped with a 50-gallon fuel tank, it offers approximately 10 hours of continuous operation on a full tank, reducing the need for frequent refueling during extended use. Number 3. Construction and portability. Features a rugged steel frame with 12-inch solid rubber wheels and a built-in carrying handle, ensuring easy mobility across job sites. The durable construction withstands harsh conditions, providing reliable performance in demanding environments. Number 4. Safety features and controls. Equipped with a comfort control thermostat, LED digital display, flame-out sensor, and overheat protection. These features enhance user safety and provide real-time diagnostics, allowing for efficient monitoring and maintenance. Number 5. Dimensions and weight. Measures 69.2 inches in length, 32.8 inches in width, and 48.7 inches in height. Weighs approximately 275.6 pounds, making it a substantial unit suitable for large-scale heating applications. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.